Kevin, lovely to see you.
Good to see you too.
And thank you for coming to see us. Very much looking forward to this partnership between Gala Tent and Kevin Nix and his superfast shed.
I've got quite a few creations.
Let's see. But yeah, lovely for you to fetch these to see us. Really looking forward to having a chat to you and seeing what they can do.
You know, I'm looking forward to this partnership, and I think it's going to be very good for both of us. But more importantly, we'll have some fun along the way. So thanks very much indeed for inviting me along. Hi there, I'm Kevin Nix. I'm the creator of the world's fastest shed, which you may have seen. Also created lots of other machines, the world's fastest motorised BMX, the world's fastest wheelbarrow. I also hold about 170 UK and ITA speed records in my various machines. It all started with the shed, which originally I built that out of a scrap car on my drive. As I was building it, I found out there was a Guinness record. I thought, well, I think mine will probably be faster than that. I didn't know. And that's how my journey started with the Guinness World Records. I've travelled Land's End to John O'Groats. I didn't do that in one day. I zigzagged across the country. Been right around the top of Scotland. I've been to the Isle of Man. So I bought a sample of machines here with me today. The BMX that you can see there, I've just set a new Guinness record on that. And I reached a top speed of 86.44 miles an hour, which is quite insane for a BMX. It actually rides lovely. It's so powerful now, it's a struggle to keep the wheel down in first and second gear. You open the throttle, it just comes up. The Barrow, which I've changed the livery on that. It used to be called the Barrow of Speed. Changed it to the Red Barrow display team, even though there's only me, but that's kind of the humour. And then I've got red smoke flare that I put in the back. That machine is insane to ride. Done 53.84 miles an hour on that. The fastest shed, that's got an Audi RS4 4.2 V8. It's 450 horsepower, and I've just done 118.7 miles an hour. I've got the framework for my new gazebo, which I've opened out, and it is amazing quality. So easy to put up, and I like the spring mechanism in it, which will make it much more durable outside in the weather. I am going to attempt to motorise it, but it won't be fast. It's just going to be a bit of fun. The idea of a gazebo is so you can fold it all up, transport it, get to an event. So I've got to make it so when I motorise it, I can take it all apart and be able to transport it. I go to events all over the country. I am going to call in at Stratford-upon-Avon. There's a big event going on there this weekend. Next weekend, I'm down at Pendine, which is down near Tenby in South Wales. The hot rods are racing on the beach. Basically, I'm at race venues, car functions all over the country. I've been on television so many times. I filmed with the lovely David Jason last year with J Blades, a programme called David and Jay's Touring Tool Shed. I've been on the Christmas #1 with Lad Baby, Mark and Roxy. Again, they're lovely. A few of my things have appeared on Have I Got News For You. I've been on every news channel. I've got some more filming coming up. I'm not allowed to divulge who it is, but with a very well-known celebrity. So there's always stuff cropping up. Yeah, so you may have seen me on that, or in the papers, been in all the papers.